Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we are replacing an oil pressure sender. It's leaking everywhere, it needs to go. You can see down there, the lead is popped off and it needs to be replaced. We're gonna have to start by getting rid of this intercooler. Alright, using a Phillips head, unscrew the clamps, and then take off the intercooler hoses. Tuck them off to the side. There we go. Yeah, just out of the way. Like that, something like that for now. What you're going to want to do next is unbolt these 4 bolts. M10 if you can find it. Okay, after a little bit of struggle, we are here. I can see the suspect in sight, and I can see the very broken tab that used to be on top. Let's get it out. Look at this. This little piece just popped right out, causing a leak. Okay, inch and a 16th. The big dog's coming to play. You're removing that sensor. Get a wrench to hold on to this so it doesn't thread out with it. I was kind of spinning my wheels for a second there, but we got to sort it out. The new sensor is a Beck Armley 201-0445. I did put a thin wrap of PTFE on there. Figured why not? It's oil. Come on. Alright, well, the new sensor's in. The connector is not really doing anything, I don't think. It's kind of... this little cattywampus, gonna need to change that. But, you know what? Hopefully I'm not leaking anymore. Time to put her all back together. I mentioned that I tightened that up snug. I didn't go crazy. So, fingers crossed. Okay, so clamps are on. Those lines are all done up. Everything's plugged in over here. Let's see what happens. Doesn't appear to be leaking.
What a cool guy. Like, I really love that guy. He's awesome. Like, because it's a great value. It's a great virtuous way of life, and we've rejected that because we're too smart for it. And in the absence.
Alright, on that note, it appears to be fixed. The leak is gone. And yeah, please like and subscribe if you feel you need to. Thanks.